Picture this. You're sitting in your car, stuck in the never-ending rush hour traffic. The minutes tick by, each one feeling like an eternity. As you glance at the clock, frustration builds within you. You dream of a life where you can escape this monotonous cycle, where you can experience freedom, abundance, and fulfillment. But have you ever stopped to wonder why you have these desires? Why they stir within you so strongly, tugging at your very soul? Today, my friends, we embark on a journey of discovery. A journey that will reveal the secrets behind our desires and how they come to be. Before we dive into the techniques and practices of manifestation, it is crucial to understand the origin of our desires. For it is in this understanding that we unlock the true power of manifestation. Our desires are not mere whims or passing fancies. Oh no, they are much deeper than that. They are messages, whispers from the divine source itself, messages that hold the potential to transform our lives and the lives of those around us. By truly grasping the significance of these desires, we ignite a fire within us, propelling our actions to new heights. We become aligned with our purpose, driven by the knowledge that our desires are meant to benefit not just ourselves, but everyone involved. Are you ready to unravel the mysteries, to tap into the limitless potential that lies within you? Are you prepared to embrace the journey of manifestation, armed with a deep understanding of the origins of your desires? Then buckle up, my friends, for what lies ahead is nothing short of extraordinary. But before we delve into the depths of this transformative journey, I kindly ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you become part of a community dedicated to exploring the magic of manifestation. All right. Let's begin our today's video. Understanding your desires and where they originate from is crucial to enhancing your inspired actions in the manifestation process. When you gain clarity on the true nature of your desires and their purpose, it fuels your motivation and drives you to take aligned and intentional actions. By delving into the roots of your desires, you begin to uncover the underlying reasons behind them. You realize that they're not just your wishes, but messages from the divine source, guiding you towards your highest potential. This understanding instills a deep sense of purpose, knowing that your desires are meant to benefit not only yourself, but also those around you. With this newfound awareness, your actions become infused with meaning and intention. You no longer wander aimlessly hoping for things to happen by chance. Instead, you take deliberate steps towards your desires, knowing that they are in alignment with your soul's journey. Understanding the origins of your desires also enables you to cultivate a stronger connection to your inner self. As you dive deeper into self-reflection and introspection, you become more attuned to your true passions, values, and aspirations. This self-awareness empowers you to make choices and take actions that are aligned with your authentic self, paving the way for manifestation to unfold effortlessly. In addition, understanding the source of your desires fosters a sense of trust and faith in the universe. You begin to recognize that these desires are not random fantasies, but divine guidance leading you towards the experiences and opportunities that align with your highest good. This trust allows you to surrender to the unfolding of the manifestation process, knowing that the universe has your back. By aligning your inspired actions with the true nature of your desires, you create a powerful synergy that propels you forward on your manifestation journey. Your intentions become clearer, your focus sharper, and your dedication unwavering. You move through life with a profound sense of purpose, driven by the knowledge that your desires hold the potential to create positive change in your life and the lives of others. In the vast tapestry of life, every thread, every experience is woven in divine order and holds a purpose. It is this understanding that forms the foundation of our journey towards manifesting our desires. To have faith in our desires does not require us to exhaust ourselves with hard labor or forceful striving. Instead, it calls upon us to embrace life as it is in the present moment. It asks us to surrender to the flow of the universe, trusting that everything is unfolding according to a higher plan. Rather than turning away from difficult feelings, we are invited to have faith that they are guiding us towards our desired reality. They are signposts revealing the areas within ourselves that are in need of healing and growth. By acknowledging and embracing these emotions, we open ourselves up to transformation and align ourselves with our true path. Persistence in our journey involves allowing ourselves to fully experience tough emotions while simultaneously recognizing the essence of who we truly are. It requires us to remain anchored in our authentic selves, even amidst the storm. Through this balance, we strengthen our resilience and deepen our connection to our desires. When negative thoughts arise, their grip on our minds loosens when we consciously choose acceptance and keep the bigger picture in mind. We understand that challenges and obstacles encountered on our spiritual journey are like the bumps, detours, or traffic jams of a road trip. They may slow us down momentarily, but they do not define our ultimate destination. Having faith doesn't mean ignoring our emotions or faking confidence. It's about embracing both positive and negative feelings as part of your unique path. Persistence involves calmly steering yourself back on track when you veer off course, rather than fighting with your thoughts and feelings. It is in this gentle redirection that our true strength and determination shine through. While many enter the realm of conscious manifesting with specific desires like money or relationships, it's important not to overlook that this is ultimately a spiritual journey. It beckons us to tap into our inner awareness, to connect with our higher self. The answers we're searching for, the guidance we seek, is likely already within us. All we need is the willingness to take the time, quiet our minds, and truly connect with our inner wisdom. As we continue on our journey of manifestation, let us embrace the understanding that everything is in divine order and holds a purpose. And there you have it, my friends. Before we part ways, let's recap the key points that will guide you on your journey towards manifesting your desires. First and foremost, remember the importance of connecting to your inner God, your inner source of clarity and wisdom. By cultivating this connection, you tap into a wellspring of guidance and insight that will illuminate your path. You will understand the source of your desires, which ultimately strengthen your inspired action. Manifestation is more than just setting intentions and goals. It's about directing your energy towards positive outcomes. As you focus your thoughts, emotions, and actions on what you truly desire, you align yourself with the abundant possibilities that lie before you. If this video has resonated with you and provided value, please show us your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals, inspiring and uplifting one another on our manifestation journeys. Before we part ways, my friends, I want to extend my heartfelt blessings to you. May God's grace and guidance be with you every step of the way. As you embrace the power of manifestation, may your desires unfold effortlessly, bringing joy, abundance, and fulfillment into your life. Remember, this is not the end, but a new beginning. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep thriving. The universe is conspiring in your favor.